Hey guys, welcome back. Happy day 8 of Pinkmas. So today we're going to be doing this together. Um, I told you guys that I needed to hurry up and get this thing done and so that I can, you know, have her open her days. So y'all read the title. We're going to be filling my daughter's advent calendar. This is what it looks like. I got this last year from Home Goods for $14.99, and I took the tag off, but I'm pretty sure it was cupcakes and cashmere, maybe. It was one of those brands that we're always buying all of their Christmas decor. So yeah, super cute, and it's a nice hard box, and these are the drawers. For some reason I thought they had different size drawers, but they're literally all one size, and they're like these little tiniest squares ever. So we're going to work with what I have and see what we can fill up in there for a few days. But yeah, if you guys are new, then hi, I'm Evita. I like to film all things pink, girly, sparkly, blingy, Hello Kitty, juicy couture, bows. We love bows, even though some people thinks it's juvenile. I don't. I love them, and I'm always gonna love them. So if that's something you're into, then come on over here and subscribe. Um, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. You might not hear me talk through some parts because she's right there in the other room, and I'm trying not to make it obvious. But I have been like putting some of the stuff that I've been buying in these bags. So let's just see what we have. Also, I am going to be doing 2 videos today because this one's going to be like a shorty, and I'm going to film my Victoria's Secret haul as well, which I think you guys will see that one first, but I'm going to still give her this, but it's already going to be filmed. I'm going to probably post this one tomorrow, which is Monday. Today's actually Evita Sunday. So I think I'm gonna do the Victoria's Secret haul for you guys. So you guys will see that actually today, and then tomorrow you'll see this one, which that won't make sense tomorrow, but it will. And I'm of course drinking some coffee. I should have moved this out of the way so I can have more room, but all right. I'm just going to open her up, and I'm going to. So the only thing I didn't like about this was the days are in order. I like when they're kind of all over the place, so she can use her little 5-year-old brain and find the numbers. But they have them in order, so we're just gonna start. So I have this. I'm pretty sure I can squeeze and ball that up into one. I don't think this is gonna fit. Remember, I said I was gonna open this and stick it in there. I don't think it's going to fit. I'm actually gonna try it now, and if it doesn't, I'm just gonna give it to her tonight so she can play with it. Okay. So this was the little Nickelodeon slime kit thingy. Oh, sorry if I made you guys shake. So it came with little, I think they're like sequins, silver sequins, and then like some colorful confetti, and then like these little pastel balls. So let's see if it. See, the little tub is what doesn't fit in there. I don't know why they have to make things too tall. So this has plastic on there. I'm gonna try without the lid. So if I squeeze it, I'm gonna like ruin the shape of the box, and I don't want to do that. So this is just gonna be something I give her Like, that would have came in handy this morning because she was very restless. So, all right. Now y'all see the problem. I was saying it's very difficult to find stuff that fits in here. I had said after last year, I was like, I'm just going to make my own cute box next time. I don't even know if these are going to fit. I was gonna say, instead of me opening this, maybe I should try a different lip balm so that I can give this to someone else, but I don't have a lip balm handy. I think if I like stand it up, it might. We'll see. Let me see what else I have in here. Oh, we have the little lip oil thing with the keychain that I'm gonna put in there for sure. So, I think it was Cheryl left a comment that I can do like Polly Pockets and little things. I do have some of that stuff too, that I'm waiting on from Amazon. Not really Polly Pockets, because I couldn't find any like the little itty bitty ones that I used to play with. Like, they all had like these cases that I know the cases wouldn't fit, but I found some little characters. I don't know what they were. I typed in like mini. Guys, I can't even get this stuff out. So I do have some stuff like that coming. And I did also order a couple of more like blind bag things, because those are the bags I know will fit. Jeez. Louise, can you make any more noise? I just keep throwing that on there. So this is what it looks like. It's like a long, I thought it was two separate ones, but it's one long one. And it's cute. It has the little gummies and the pastel colors and smiley face. So she can just put it on there and have her little gloss hang from her bag. Or she can use this for herself. She does have one of my old phones. It's not connected, but she plays games on it and watches YouTube. So yeah, like she can use it for whatever she wants. So that I think might fit. Y'all. Alright, I gotta like, I don't know. It's kind of in there. She has enough room to get her finger in there to get it. This is so difficult. Alright. So, we're gonna go and say that that does fit. Next, I have one of these. And see, like this, I think I can. Like, see, just push it in there. So, I should have just bought 24 of these. Different characters. Like, Five Below has a bunch of those. And I did buy two, but I'm gonna put this down in another. Oh, this smells like. That smells like my melody. I'm gonna put this in a different day. This one has like a card or something in here that's making it hard to bend, like I did the other one. Trying to move it to the back. Alright, so because I don't want this to be like one that she gets duplicates today, so I'm going to move this down to like the second row towards the end. I'm going to put it in day 11. Okay. I have some gingerbread socks. I think last year I took the tag off and just stuffed them in there. So I might have to do that again because like they fit in there, but then that sticks out. So take the tag off. And I'm going to try and do it so the little eyes are right there. Okay. I had all this stuff that it's not going to fit. Like, these are going to have to be stocking stuffers. I was going to put these little Betsy Johnson holiday lotions in there. I had this little treat. It's a marshmallow, but I don't want to break it, so I don't want to do that. I also have some candies that are coming too. Alright, that's that for that bag. These are not gonna fit, I don't think either. I got some of the LOL mermaids, but yeah, they're not gonna fit. So let's take this off. Let me get my scissors because I don't want to break this. I don't want to like pull out the string. So, how are you guys doing? How's your day going? I got some stuff done. I felt a little productive. I was able to go through like all the stuff I've been buying and like organize it into who's getting what and put it away in my basement so that it's out of the way. But look how cute that is. I hope this fits. This was the main one I was excited about. It better get in there. Girlfriend, get in there. Alright, she's in there. As long as she can pull the drawer out, that's fine. Then let's just see if these, because if this doesn't fit, I'm going to, is there a way I can open this without messing it up? I was not planning on giving her all 4 of these anyway, because she literally has way too many. You guys think I have a lot of lip products? Ugh, she loves stuff like this. So I definitely want to give her a little gingy one. And see, that fits right down in there. So I'll give her that. I feel like I should put 2 in there and just, no, but I think I'll put, I'm going to put a little peppermint Lindor in there with it. So it's not so plain by itself. And then I'm going to give her probably the strawberry one with the cat, since we have a cat. And I'm going to put that one down in like day 12. So it's not too close. And I'm going to put a Ghirardelli sugar cookie candy in there with it. Looks like that. And then the other two, I'm gonna put in her besties. She has 2 friends next door, and one loves purple, and the other one she's just gonna get what she gets. She's already 8, so she really doesn't have like too many like preferences. She's happy with getting anything. The other one's 6, the one that likes purple stuff. So I'm gonna put that because I'm making little well, they have like full-size presents because we always buy them a lot of stuff off of their wish list. So we have presents for them, but every time I wrap their presents, I always put like a stocking on the top filled with stuff. So I'll use those in there. That's what I was gonna kind of do with these two. I wasn't gonna give her the whole pack. I was just gonna give her a couple and then save 2 for them. So let's do that. But let's also put, you know what? The clips I think are not gonna fit. The clips are too wide. Hold on, Aria. Hold on. Alright. She's like, what you doing? Okay, so we were trying the bows. So I cut one off. I'm going to try and put these look smaller than those. Actually, they look the same. It's just this is a lots of stuff. I don't know. Let's see. So what's in there? Let's see if it closes. All right. So I got something in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need, today is the 8th. So I was gonna get her caught up, but I don't think I'm gonna do that yet because if I let her open all 8, then I'm gonna be struggling. So I think I'm gonna let her do 2 today, 2 tomorrow, 2 on Monday, and then the last 2 that I'm gonna try and fill up right now. And then by then, blind bags is where it's at. I'm gonna have to order a whole bunch of blind bags because those seem to be fitting good. So let me, oh, I wanted to put a sheet mask in there, but am I gonna be able to fit a mask folded? Let's see what's in the vitamin C. So I wanted to do like a festive one, but this one is Merry and Bright. It has a vitamin C, which I mean, vitamin C, everyone should be okay with. And glycerin. What is glycerin? Hold on, baby. It's glycerin acts as a humectant and an emollient that assists in moisturizing and softening. Sounds like something that's in lotion, so it's okay because I don't let her keep these on like the whole like 20-30 minutes like I do. She wears it for like 5 minutes. She actually gets, because I'm doing something, baby. Give me a little bit, okay? All right, so we got it in there. But I did want that to be by the... All right, let's see. Alright guys, let's try and open this. I'm trying to hurry up because she wants to see what's going on. I don't blame her. She's like, why would you open the door? So this is what these look like. So these are the scents that are in here. There is sugar almond, warm vanilla, and vanilla chai. The warm vanilla is the one that I said I wanted. And thankfully it is a color I would like, because y'all know I like my Tiffany's in pink. So that's fine. And then the vanilla chai is purple. And the other one is sugar almond. So let's even see if this is going to if it's, I think. Let's not celebrate yet, guys. Let's not celebrate yet. No, ma'am. I like jammed it in there. I didn't think it was gonna go, but it did. Okay, well, I jammed it in there and it went. Should I do that with this one too? No. Alright, so there's something in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10 are empty, but we have something in 11 and 12. So we need 2 more days, and then 12 more days. So at least we'll be good for like 12 days of Christmas. But I have these 2 that I'm probably going to do the same thing, like give them to her friends in their baskets. Let me make sure. I think that's everything. And then I do have another one of these that I'm going to fit in there. I'm just going to put this in there for now so I can get rid of this packaging. I'm going to put this down towards the bottom. It'll be close to the bottom. My little garbage pile. And then these, I don't think I'm going to put in there. I think I'm going to just put this with her stocking. So I think this one's in 6. So I'm going to go all the way down to like 16 or something with this one. So that when all of the like blind bags come in, they're like more exciting than opening bows and socks. You know, kids like toys, so. Alright. So you guys, that's that. If you guys have any specific ones that you guys think are really cute, the little blind bags, let me know. I of course got the HK ones. What's on my Amazon order? Aria, are you by the door? What are you doing, baby? She said we could do a little video together. Aria! Come here. Something's here. What? Look on mommy's dresser. What is this? I don't know. Open it. Do you remember that from last year?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do we get to win?
Yeah. Do you see the number 1? What is that? What is that?
A bracelet? A lip balm.
Lip balm. Let me see. Oh.
Oh, this is a necklace.
No, I think, look, it has the hook. I think you put it on your lip oil, your lip balm. It goes like in there. Yep. And then pull this, pull it all the way through the hoop. Oh, what's that yellow thing?
Gummy bear.
Gummy bears. Not the kind you eat, right? Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. That is cute. Open number 2. Let's see what's in number 2.
Oh, yeah. A Hello Kitty surprise.
Oh my goodness. Open it up. Let's see what's in it.
Oh, yeah.
You need help?
No.
No? You want mommy's scissors? Be careful. Alright. That's enough.
Why are they bendy kind of?
Why are my scissors bendy? Because you're used to your little finger ones. Mine are big. Turn around. We want to see too.
Hello Kitty book.
A book. Is there anything else in there? I think that shows you what characters you can get.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, let's see which one did you get.
I think I got Hello Kitty.
You think so? Let's see.
Like Kiwopi. Kiwopi!
Oh my goodness, look at you. You know who they are too?
A moon.
Wait a second. A moon? Does he sit on it or what? Let's see. Oh, because they have different Karopis. Which one of those is the one that you got?
Hey, we could hold it. I got this one. Go.
Watch your head when you get up.
Where did it go?
You need help?
He could hold the moon. I got this one, Mom.
Let's see. Oh, look at all the ones you can get. You got to try and collect them all, huh? All right, open one more box. Open number 3.
Oh, yeah.
And then we'll save the rest.
Oh, my goodness. Socks.
Are those? Who are those?
Get the bed sock.
Oh, you like fluffy socks, don't you? You were just wearing some today. All right, you like it? All right, we'll open some more tomorrow, okay?
Mom, look. He could hold like. Okay. So, guys, today we are opening a surprise box. Let's just open this. There's things like it's a lot of.
So what number are you on? How many did you open yesterday? Do you remember?
3, guys.
So you're on what number?
4, guys. I'm on number 4. Oh, it's kind of hot and it's sticking. Oh, yeah. We got it. Close. Oh!
What is that?
It's a stuff. It's a little comfortable stuffed animal comfortable headband.
It's a headband. Oh, are those the ones that me and you wear when we do our mask?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
It's a gingerbread one, and it looks like it's
Let me see.
animal.
I want a gingerbread spa headband. Look, guys. So pretty. All right. What number is that?
5, guys. Let's open it. My favorite fizzy candy.
Swedish Fishies candies.
Oh, I got gingerbread man lip balm. I got that Milky Say chocolate.
The peppermint chocolate.
Uh-huh.
And one more, baby. What number? No. What number are you supposed to be doing?
6. Guys, we are on number 6. I guess like a little Christmas bow.
A Christmas bowl? What's that for?
For Christmas.
Where are you going to put it?
On my hair.
On your hair?
Huh?
Alright.
I'm done with this box.
Do you like everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. She was happy with the 3 that she opened, and that's what makes me happy. Like, it's like little things, she gets excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 where I do the rest of it after everything comes in and see some more of her reactions. It's up to you guys. If you guys want to see a part 2, I'll do it for you, or otherwise I'll just finish filling it up on my own. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next Pinkmas video. Bye.